Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm recording this video on 2nd of May 2018, and this video is regarding one of my capstone projects as is offered in NIT University, Nimrana, India. So yes, my name is Ankit Pahuja, and this is my profile where you can visit at ankitpahuja.github.io. It's obviously uploaded on GitHub. And let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm a developer and computer science engineering undergrad. I learned to secure systems, and I do a little bit of SEO, web, and problem solving in free time. So I would now like this. You can obviously go and visit there. I would like to talk more about my capstone project now. So yes, I have built a capstone project for my undergrad project, and they named it as Pragmatic Coder. So pragmatic means practical, and yes, we are a team of five, and yes, we are pragmatic coders. So this is how me and my peers look. So this is me. I'm Ankit Pahuja, and this is Sai Praneeth. This is Antara Tripathi. I guess internet is slow and this things are loading up a little slow. This is Shaurya Sen Gupta. This is Swami Pal. So this is all about us, and we are trying to build a community portal wherein we are trying to do things something similar to what Geeks for Geeks does or Stack Overflow does or any other community portal that's leading to multiple engagement of people who are trying to code, who are trying to learn to code, who are either coding professionals, or I think if you're using a computer, then you should code, learn to code. So yes, this is how our blogging or say community portal looks like. This is a list of all the blogs that we have, and yes, this is all the content that we have written ourselves, all five of us. But basically, there are two views to our product. One is the user view, that's what you are looking at, and the other is the admin view. So admin would be me, who will be managing all the content that's going to be there on this site. And the best part is our website is live. Yeah, so we are obviously in the phase of building it, but it's live and it's deployed with the subdomain test.pragmaticcoder.com. So yeah, so in the sidebar you can look at the categories, and we are right now aiming at artificial intelligence, some general computer science stuff, and big data, data science, and cyber security. And me, Ankit Pahuja, if I say I am a cyber security enthusiast, so yes, I am devoting content in cyber security domain. Yes, then we have the recent post that you can look at. We plan to, post on say 5 weeks or 5 posts a week, and that's what we have been doing, for long now, and that's what we aim to continue with it. So that's how it looks. And so say you are interested in looking at text generation with LSTM recurrent neural, with that's under artificial intelligence, that's written by one of my friends. So that's how this looks like, and you could go in and read about it in the full post view. You could go there, comment in the comment section, say your name is Yankee and your email is yankee@gmail.com, and you say that's a good post. So I think with that you should be able to submit this comment, and the comment submitted successfully. So now it's up to admin whether he approves your comment or disapproves it. So now let's go to say the admin view, wherein you could actually see how things are in the admin panel, right? So basically this URL you'll see nowhere, right? So you obviously need to log in to get into admin panel, and for the sake of letting myself in, so my username is Ankit, you know that, but you would never know what my password is, and please don't look for it as well, because that's my product and it's not ethical to get into it, right? So once I log into uh, the product, yes, so probably I guess the internet is slow, and it's taking time to log into it. Yeah, so once I am into my dashboard, you see welcome Ankit, and These are basically certain functionalities that I could do in my dashboard. uh, for every post we have title, date and time, author, category, and so on and so forth details, right? So I think we made a comment, right? So I'll get onto that functionality as well. So what you could do is you could in the dashboard you could see the post title and corresponding how many comments are waiting. These are basically unapproved comments. You could edit the post, you could delete, you could live preview it. So you could live preview it in a way. So if you just click on that, you get the post ID and you could just preview it straight away, right? Also, since I have already described that these are unapproved comments, so admin has got the privilege to either approve it or to disapprove it, right? So what an admin can do is he could follow or make use of all the CRUD operations. CRUD operations in software engineering say would be to create, read, update, and delete operations that an admin can do. Alright, so in the add new post, you could go write down some title, choose a category out of all the categories we have, select an image, post whatever content you have. You could simply just drag it to have a better view. Then you further go to categories. You can add any category you want. Say add redundant category. So I guess the spelling is wrong. So yeah, redundant category, and this is how it gets added into the database. The category added successfully, and so since it is obviously redundant, so we are going to delete that. That was just for a demo. Then you can go and manage admin. So I have made one of my friend Antra Party who's reliable when it comes to adding content. So yeah, so I've added her as an admin. Then you can go approve comments and disapprove it. So yeah, so right now I added a comment Yankee with the comment good post. So I think the person is not legit. So maybe I could probably follow a strategy wherein I can email you and get like, oh, are you legit or not? If you reply to me or whatever mechanism it comes to, say I approve it for once. I find your comment to be legit. I approve it. And say there's a case. Okay, so see this comment. Ankit has commented and with a comment. So this is somehow approved, but it should not be there. So I can anytime disapprove it or delete it. So I would like to delete this comment. So this is how you delete a comment with the message being showcased, comment deleted successfully. And these are basically simple things wherein you could go and look at the live blog post anytime. Alright, so that's a basic feature. And yes, you could go and log out obviously anytime. So yeah, this is basically under testing, and we are obviously going to add more features to it. And we are really going to add say some MD5 or password encryption technologies and strategies so as to protect our admin area. And this is how it looks, and we are also going to work on how things look globally overall. So we are going to revamp the website, as it is really important to revamp the product at a better frequency. So, okay, I would like to end this. So, this was me, Ankit Pahuja. You can email me at this email ID. You can, okay, that's other email ID that I have. You can post me at my address, or you can call me at 7737579283. And on any time, you could go to my portfolio, and we can obviously have a chit chat over coffee. Thank you so much. Have a good day.